When you first get started, download WhatsApp from the App Store or Google Play. Then open it and agree to the terms of service. Enter your phone number with the correct country code, and you'll receive a 6-digit code by SMS or call to verify. Once verified, you can create your profile by adding your name and an optional photo. Now you're ready to chat. Tap the chat icon, select a contact, and type your message. WhatsApp also lets you send photos, videos, voice notes, and even large documents up to 2 gigabytes. Before sending, you can choose standard or HD quality for your media. For calls, you can switch seamlessly between voice and video with just a tap. If you want to stay in touch with multiple friends at once, WhatsApp groups can hold up to 256 people. You can set a group name, picture, and even share invite links or QR codes for new members. And don't forget about status updates. They let you post photos, videos, or text that disappear after 24 hours, almost like Instagram stories. One of the biggest challenges for WhatsApp users is switching to a new phone or keeping a backup of important chats. That's exactly what MagFone WhatsApp Transfer is designed to solve. With it, you can securely transfer your WhatsApp conversations, photos, and videos. It also supports backing up your entire WhatsApp history to your computer, so you'll never have to worry about losing your messages again. And when it's time to restore, you can bring everything back to your device in just a few clicks.